to show you how to lap valves at home with a drill, quick and easy. Since you're watching this, I'm assuming that you're a common man like me. Your dog ain't got a pedigree, and you don't want to spend any money, so we're not going to run to the shop of machine and just throw our cash at them. We're not going to order crazy valve grinding equipment. I don't know what they're doing. So we're going to use this and this, which was $5.49 at my local Willie's. The first word of caution is you don't want to do this dry, so get some Whiskey Delta or something, and yeah, don't be a baby about it. It's just metal. Now, of course, you got to be a little careful when you're using stuff like this, because you don't want to use too much, because you don't want it getting in places that it's difficult to get it out of. Because you're really gonna need to clean everything thoroughly when you're done, because this stuff will destroy an engine. So I like to do just little pea-sized drops like that. Wow, slid right off. A little bit too much lube. What we're going to do is we're going to make this surface here just match with this surface here, the valve seat, a little bit better. Now, we're not going overboard. The only reason why we're doing things like this my way is because it's not a race engine, it's not for a customer. We just are trying to get something running properly, or we're doing an at-home rebuild. So what we're going to be doing is spinning the valve with the drill like this, and it's just going to grind it down. Just chuck your drill onto the valve stem like so. Now this is a moment of panic for some folks, but if you work on junk like me, you don't have to worry. So just, I don't know, medium speed, I guess. Medium to high. Apply a little bit of pressure. Just kind of keep doing it like this. You're just going to need to check it after a little bit. I like to go the other direction now. Just light pressure. You might need to do it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. But don't just grind this thing all the way through the cylinder head. Yeah, then you're gonna ruin something. You're gonna ruin the seat. But as long as you just take it easy. Grab a rag. That looks pretty gosh darn good to me. Just do it for a little bit like that, and then wipe things off and see if you got a nice smooth surface like that, and they fit together well. I hope this video helped you, because that's the only reason why I made it. And I want to subscribe, because next we're going to see if these things actually are sealing now. And if you want to see some budget valve guide clearance checking stuff, you could watch this one here.